Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. Today I'm going to be looking at how to get the Matilda upgrade in the jail, as well as getting the power on in the building. So first things first, we're going to come into the jail, and there's some ammo over here and a map. We're going to go through the main jail. All of these dead zombies are actually alive. They won't be active until you turn on the power, which is over here. So you can see the card we need right now. We don't have access to it. We need to get the power on, which is that switch right there. We're going to grab the tool and just the paperwork, which we don't really need, but we're going to go to the other area now. So yet again, don't worry about these guys. The cells are locked. They can't get out. We're going to go through and get the police car key, which you can use to get the Matilda upgrade. So we're going to get that part next, and then we're going to get the stuff or we're going to turn on the power next after that. So right here in the shooting range is the little box, and that has the key in it, which we can examine in a few minutes, but we don't need to do that right now. So you can hear the dog barking right now, or howling. It is very advised to go ahead and just kill it now.
What the hell?
That cage is locked, and they start chasing the area. So just take them now. That way you don't have to worry about them later, although there will be a lot more that show up when we finish. So the next little item is, this area is full of items, but the main key item is the diamond key, and that can be useful later on in the game when we get a little bit further down. But you're going to grab this, and it's going to animate that zombie right there and the zombie by the door. So I'm just going to run by him. I probably shouldn't. I should probably take care of him right now, but I'll deal with that part when I come to it. And like I said, there are going to be dogs showing up as soon as we turn on power. So in the main switch, this is another item we need for a little bit later. And I'll go ahead and open this, so you can see it's a key. And I will examine this, which is one of the electrical parts. So now, as soon as we turn this on, there's going to be a dog right there, where the little green herb was. And the last two switches are the ones that you want to flip for the... So you just want to take care of him right now. That way you don't have to worry about him chasing you. But there's the thing that I was taking care of earlier. Oh well. So you see the little dog door at the bottom. Then I'm just going to run through, and I'm going to grab no health. I thought I had a little bit, but I don't. So I'm going to combine the gunpowders together, save a little bit of ammo. And that is those two gone. So we're gonna use the parking lot key right now, and this is going to open the police car, which we can combine with that. And we're gonna run down and save real quick and grab some health items. But thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it.